Hello, and welcome back to Engineering Study Hub. I am Dipendra, and in today's quick SOLIDWORKS tutorial, we are going to learn how to easily model a 3D helical spring from scratch. Select the Circle tool and draw a circle starting from the origin. This circle will define the mean diameter of our spring. Once you have set your desired dimension for the diameter, go ahead and exit the sketch. Next, navigate to the Features tab at the top. Click on the Reference Geometry or Curves drop-down menu, and select Helix and Spiral. SOLIDWORKS will automatically use the circle you just drew as the base. In the Property Manager on the left, select Pitch and Revolution. Here, you can define the exact geometry of your spring by entering your constant pitch, the total number of revolutions, and your start angle. Click the green check mark when you are done. Now, we need to create the profile for the spring's wire. Select the top plane, or the plane that aligns perfectly with the starting point of your helix, and click Sketch. Draw a smaller circle directly at the starting endpoint of the helix curve. Dimension this circle to represent your wire diameter. Once complete, exit the sketch. With both our path and profile ready, go back to the Features tab and click on Swept Boss/Base. For the Profile box, select the small circle we just created. For the Path box, click on your helix curve. You will see a 3D preview of your spring generate. Click the green check mark to confirm. Clean up the model and make it presentation ready. Right-click on the helix curve line visible on your part, and select the Hide icon. And there you have it, a perfectly modeled helical spring in SOLIDWORKS. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel.